Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Are you tired of that sinking feeling when your printer runs out of ink right in the middle of an important document? What if I told you there's a solution that could free you from that headache for up to 3 years? Yes, you heard that right. We're diving deep into the Brother INKvestment Tank 580 wireless color inkjet all-in-one printer. And trust me, this isn't just another printer review. First up, let's talk about the game changer, the innovative refillable ink tank technology. This is where the MFC T580DW truly shines. Forget those tiny, expensive cartridges that always seem to run dry at the worst possible moment. The INKvestment Tank system comes with enough Brother genuine ink in the box to last you for an incredible 3 years. Imagine the savings, the convenience, and the sheer peace of mind knowing you won't be scrambling for ink for such a long time. When you finally do need to refill, it's a breeze. The no-spill bottles are designed for quick refills, just 30 seconds for color, 65 for black, and they're keyed, meaning you can't accidentally put the wrong color in the wrong tank. This isn't just about saving money, it's about uninterrupted productivity and significantly less waste. Isn't it time to say goodbye to ink anxiety for good? Next, let's consider its perfect fit for your setup. This is best for home and home office. In today's world, a printer needs to be more than just a printer. The MFC T580DW is a durable, all-in-one multifunction powerhouse. Need to print a vibrant report for school? Scan important documents for work? Or maybe make a quick copy of a recipe? This compact machine handles it all effortlessly. It saves space on your desk by consolidating print, copy, and scan functions into one sleek device. And speaking of prints, Brother inkjet printers are renowned for producing beautiful, vibrant color prints that you'll be proud to share. Whether it's family photos or professional presentations, the quality truly stands out. This isn't just a gadget. It's a vital part of your productive environment, helping you achieve more with less clutter. But what about ease of use and reliability? Brother has you covered. The MFC T580DW is incredibly reliable and easy to use. Nobody wants to spend hours figuring out how to print. This printer features a straightforward one-line LCD display that provides uncomplicated, to-the-point messaging and operation. It's intuitive, meaning you can get straight to printing, copying, or scanning without a steep learning curve. And here's a massive differentiator. It includes a generous 3-year limited warranty and access to Brother's highly rated customer service. That's a significant commitment from Brother, demonstrating their confidence in the durability and longevity of this machine. In a world where many electronics come with a paltry 1-year warranty, 3 years of coverage offers unparalleled peace of mind. You're not just buying a printer, you're investing in a reliable partner for years to come. Finally, let's talk about connectivity and control. This printer offers both wireless and USB connections, giving you ultimate flexibility. Connect it to your home or office wireless network and print from virtually anywhere in your space, whether you're on your laptop in the living room or your tablet in the kitchen. For a more direct, secure connection, the USB option is always there. But the real magic happens with the Brother Mobile Connect app. This app puts the power of printing, copying, scanning, and even device management right at your fingertips. From your mobile device, you can easily navigate menus, check ink levels, and initiate tasks. It's modern, convenient, and incredibly efficient, making your smartphone the ultimate command center for your printing needs. So, who is the Brother INKvestment Tank 584? It's for anyone who's tired of the ink cartridge merry-go-round, for home users, and small businesses seeking a versatile, high-quality all-in-one, and for those who value reliability and user-friendly technology. This printer is a statement against planned obsolescence, offering incredible ink value and a robust warranty that genuinely sets it apart. It's an investment that pays off in convenience, cost savings, and quality. If you're ready to revolutionize your printing experience and enjoy years of hassle-free operation, then the Brother INKvestment Tank 580 is an absolute must-have. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to simplify your life and boost your productivity. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get yours today. You deserve a printer that works for you.